Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
The Indian Ministry of Defence and the Indian Air Force have shortened the process for procuring 110 fighter jets. All 6 fighter jets that are competing in the tender had already gone through intensive technical trials by Indian Air Force in the previous MMRCA tender, and now only the performance of the new systems will be evaluated, which were previously not available in the aircraft in the previous technical trials. If the aircraft manufacturer has made any extensive physical upgradation and changes to the aircraft, or the aircraft comes with new core systems like engines and radars, like in the case of Saab Gripen, then the trials can become more intensive. Meanwhile, the Rafale aircraft has got only few upgrades, but the F-16 Block 70 comes with different AESA radar, mission computer, and various cockpit improvements, which again might require more detailed trials. Due to advancements over the years, the Eurofighter Typhoon, F-18, and MiG-35 have received few minor upgrades to their systems, so their evaluation might be limited. A senior US official has said that the United States has offered the armed version of Guardian drones to India, and according to sources, the total number of the drones had also increased. It would be the first time that the US has sold the Guardian drones to a country that is outside the NATO alliance. Donald Trump's administration rolled out a new export policy that is aimed at expanding sales to partner countries for boosting the American defense industry. Defense Ministry sources have said that several contracts worth hundreds of crores have been signed for equipping the special forces of all the 3 forces of the country with more highly specialized equipments from countries like Sweden, Russia, Israel and Germany. The special forces of the Indian Army will receive the Sako sniper rifles and Carl Gustaf Mark IV lightweight systems. The Marine Commandos are inducting Russian VSS suppressed sniper rifles, remotely operated underwater vehicles, and they are also slated to get 2 midget submarine. The Garud Commandos are also inducting new sniper rifles, and have already inducted 65 micro UAVs. The Russian Air Force is quite happy with the Su-35, and have refused to go beyond the initial order of 12 Su-57 aircraft. As India has pulled out of the joint venture, no country is likely to join the program to fix a product which requires billions of dollars of investments. Western analysts have said that China might step in to order small batches of the aircraft for improving their own stealth program, and Russia might even allow China to take over the program indirectly. The annual mine countermeasure exercise has started on 18th July, which traditionally involved the navies of US and Japan, but the Indian Navy has also been invited in this year's exercise. The Indian Navy sent 4 divers to participate in the exercise, with the 20 other personnel sent by the US and Japan. The chairman and managing director of Hindustan Shipyard Limited has confirmed that the ocean surveillance ship is successfully undergoing harbour trials and is set to be delivered by December. The ship was ordered by the Modi government for creating a shield for the nation, which will also give accurate data of the tests that are routinely carried out of indigenous systems. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Secretary of Defense Jim Mattis will travel to India in the first week of September for the first 2+2 dialogue between India and the U.S. An official has said that the signing of the communications agreement with India will move forward the pending proposal to buy armed drones from the U.S.